I feel like my lipstick is going really uneven. But oh well, I guess. Hi guys and welcome back to this week's video. So, as you can probably tell, I have a lovely Lush video for you all guys today. Let's get comfortable. I feel like I'm pretty uncomfortable in this bed. And I thought, I love Lush, I always do hauls, but I never talk about my favourite products that aren't bath bombs. I feel like I might have done a video like this maybe last year or the year before, but I wanted to highlight on some different products that I've just been obsessed with in 2018. If you guys want to know what Lush products you should be buying that aren't bath bombs but still are loving all the same because it's Lush, obviously, then do carry watching. Firstly, like I say in every single video, when it's partly cloudy, the sun will come in and out, and I'm sorry if it gets warmer and then cooler in terms of lighting because I only use natural light. So now that's out of the way, let's get into it. So I'm going to start with, I'm doing sections. So I think I'm going to start with lip products first because I love a good lip product. I use them every single day, and my favourites are definitely Honey Trap Lip Balm and Mint Julep Lip Scrub. These two together are pretty amazing. Honey Trap is so buttery. I have used a majority of it, as you can see. It smells divine and it really helps repair dry lips, especially before going to bed. I usually pop it on literally every single night without fail before going to sleep, and by the morning my lips are really soft and ready to put the lipstick of choice on that day. And this, you've got loads of extra virgin olive oil. There is vegan dark white chocolate and shea butter and almond oil, but there's also, I'm pretty sure there's honey in there. Yeah, there's beeswax and honey in here, which it makes it antibacterial, humectant, so it's really nourishing. I don't get why they put vegan white chocolate in here, but it can't be vegan because of the honey. That doesn't make sense to me. But yeah, this is amazing. I think these are $6.95. You get quite a lot and they last a good few months, so definitely a good investment. And the Mint Juleps is basically like after eights in your mouth, and it's literally just caster sugar with jojoba oil and other ingredients like vanilla oil and peppermint oil, and it's just really nice and cool on the lips. It scrubs away any dry skin before you put lip balm on or your lipstick, and I use this every single day. A little bit does go a long way, and it's $5.95, and I just love how much of a novelty product lip scrubs are in general. Like, they are really cool, especially Lush ones, considering it's actually caster sugar. Yeah, it's definitely a good little investment. On to shower products now. The first one is actually a good old classic. It is Olive Branch Shower Gel, and this one, as you can tell by the name, is olive oil packed. So you've got loads of mandarin juice as well, bergamot, lemon, orange flower, and it just makes a lovely sweet summery scent, and the olive oil makes this gel really moisturising and conditioning on the skin. So it's great if you're in a rush and you want to pack some moisture into the skin without having to put like a lotion on after coming out. And gotta smell it. Oh, so fruity, nice and citrusy, and it's just amazing. Plus, this is self-preserving now, so it should last a bit longer. I don't know how long they lasted before they went self-preserving, to be honest, but this is an amazing option if you want something a little bit different in shower. And I only recently discovered this. My go-to is usually Happy Hippie, but I thought I'd give this a try, and I'm glad I did. I now see why this is such a good one to go for. Sticking to shower, this one is actually a really new product that's come out. It literally came out, wait, the day you're seeing this will be a week later, so it came out exactly a week ago. So it's pretty new. It's a shower scrub and it's called Magic Crystals, and this is probably the most amazing thing they've brought out since they made Christingle body conditioner at Christmas, which I think they actually marketed wrong. It should be a summer product, but I'm glad they brought this out in summer because this is literally that in a scrub. It's like Rub and Christingle came together and had a baby, and this is it. and then Yummy Mummy joined in because it's purple. It's so pretty. Really cooling with loads of peppermint, spearmint, menthol crystals, and I can't remember this. Ah! There's loads of fine sea salt. There's Epsom salt in here, and you also have rosemary and sage as well. So it's really nice and relaxing, very cleansing, astringent as well, and it just smells great. Especially in heat waves. Not that we will ever get a heat wave, hopefully never again, because I want autumn to come now. But it's really nice and cooling. You do get that lovely tingly feeling on the skin like you do with Christingle body conditioner, and this one is amazing. It's like, oh my god, I don't know how to describe it. It foams like rub as well. It's a great one to go for if you, again, like this one, want to pack a lot of moisture in your skin without having to use a lotion after. So yeah, I just love it. In fact, I will treat you guys to a close-up. Look how pretty it looks. You can see all the sea salt in there. Oh my gosh. Speaking of lotion, I've actually got 2 body lotions to tell you guys about, and one of them is one that had a huge hype like around it, like I think it was this time last year actually, and it's Sleepy body lotion because it's twilight scented, and I feel like now everyone's died down about the hype. I can actually start to appreciate it again. So I did get a little bit sick of it because I kept talking about it, but it's amazing. It's great for helping you calm, relax, and it's like a hug in a lotion. And oh my gosh, my hair's actually discoloured. Oh my god, it's gone like, it went out of date like in February. I should really throw this away and get another one. Just seeing all the new ones at work, it's like they're bright purple, and this is literally like a brownie white. You can't really smell it now. Well, that is going in the bin. What first rule of using a Lush product? Best use fresh and don't use it after the use by date. Unless of course it is a kitchen product and you can't repurchase it. But again, this is amazing when actually used fresh and not a few months out of date. You've got loads of tonka, there's also a bit of vanilla in there, of course, lavender, and then you've got cocoa butter and oat milk. So it's really nice and buttery, moisturising, and a really nice strong scent. So great for either the winter time when you just want a hug from this, like I said before, or you just want to get some extra moisture in your skin, or you're really tired and you just want to fall straight away and stick this on, and the strongest scent ever will engulf you. I'm just so glad they made this permanent because it used to be a Christmas product in 2016 and then it was made permanent last year, and yeah, you actually can't smell this. I need to throw this away as soon as I finish filming this. But this charity pot is actually new, so I'm doing something right. And this is another hand and body lotion. This is the 45g size, which you can like stick in your bag, which I do. I carry it around with me all the time. This is just a summer scent. This is amazing, and you got fair trade Colombian cocoa butter in there, fair trade shea butter. You also have rosewood, geranium. There's aloe vera gel, which is really good, and this has actually helped cure the burn I had when the heat wave first came on my chest, and it went to a really nice tan. And I put it on every day, and it just cooled down that like burn irritation feeling as well. And I think you've also got moringa oil, jojoba oil, and olive oil. So it's a really nice, rich, nourishing hand and body lotion. It does leave your like hands feeling quite greasy, but if you put like a minimal amount on, it shouldn't do. But I like to pack it on, so that's probably where I'm going wrong with it. Just smells of summer. Such a nice, comforting summery scent. This is definitely a new favourite. And did you know all profit minus VAT goes to help small charities, and the Fleas Haven Sheep Sanctuary is one of them, and this promotes humane behaviour towards animals. So if you go in store, you can actually see different lids with different charities on, and you can pick the design you like. And the next thing is, I'm gonna stick with sort of body lotions. This is my box of spa stuff. This is actually the Lush Spa gift set. This I think was discontinued 2 years ago, but I love the box. I actually bought the gift because I love the box, and I don't think I have, no, I don't have the massage bar that came with this gift originally, but this is basically my spa box full of massage bars, and this is what I'm talking to you about right now. So we have so many massage bars, but massage bars are amazing for helping you relax, get in that spa mood, especially after a bath. I like to put on some spa music from YouTube, relax in the bath, and use one of these. And I'm going to show you some favourites. I'll stick with the ones you can still buy because I don't want to show you guys discontinued ones which went like a few months ago. So yeah, rest in peace, Strawberry Fizz forever. Okay, we do have some exclusives. I've got Mother's Day and Valentine's Day from this year, so don't worry, there's no out-of-date ones here. And I've got the one you get in your Lush Spa treatment. So I had sympaesthesia in May for my birthday, and I chose the word peas in the treatment, and you actually get the massage bar, which is now discontinued, so you can only get it when you choose that word in sympaesthesia spa treatment, which is amazing. And let me tell you, it's the best spa treatment ever. I now want to book another one, which I probably will, maybe for New Year. Oh my gosh, that would be such a good Christmas present to myself, getting the comforter spa treatment. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna save up and do it. And you also get a little bubble bar as well, so that is really nice. I'm saving this for a day where I'm so stressed I need peace in my life, or just so happy I need peace in my life. So I'm not going to use these yet, so this is like a keepsake for now. But the one I've been really liking is Hottie. Oh, it just smells so good. I don't know why, but I get confused between this and Wiki Magic Muscles, but I presume this is the one with the ginger in. So it's really great for warming the muscles. These bits you can get really into the skin, and just like, you just warm them in your hands. It releases all the goodness, like the butters and essential oils, and just massage in, and it's like you have a spa at home. It's so good. So definitely massage bars, especially if you're looking for a gift for a loved one as well. It's a really good one to go for, and yeah, I just love them. And they last for ages as well because they're solid. I've been filming for 60 minutes, so I'm going to cut this super short and just talk about perfumes, because perfumes are amazing. So perfumes at Lush are called Gorilla perfumes. So it is Lush, but it's like their separate line of products, just like Emotional Brilliance with the makeup. And the ones I have are Amelie May, which is the newest purchase. It's got lavender and rose and smells like a wildflower field, but also quite warming. So it's sort of like a late summer scent to me, and I absolutely love it. This is I'm Home. You got Cocoa Absolute, Vanilla, and also benzoyl resin oil, which is like a bean, I think. This is really sweet, but also really warming. It's like sleepy. It's like a hug in a perfume. This is my autumn scent, because if it's raining, like it has been today, I just like to spray it on. It just feels so cozy, especially if I'm actually feeling quite down and sad. I just spray this on, sit by the fire in autumn, and just have like a cup of coffee and a good book with me, and yeah, I'm Home. It's amazing, and it cheers me up if I wear it at work. And the wind is going crazy. And the last one is Vanilla. This is a discontinued 10ml bottle, but it's still in date, do not worry. And I just love the packaging, it's so cute. It's literally Vanilla Absolute and Jasmine and Tonka, and vanilla and jasmine together are just beautiful, and it's quite warming, but it's got more of that sweetness to it than this. So if you do like vanilla in general, both are amazing to go for. They last for ages on the skin. They're actually hand blended fine essential oils, so they're very, very scented and strong. So definitely do not spray them all the time because you will get a headache. I learned that the hard way. Yeah, those are amazing and great for special occasions as well, like birthdays, anniversaries, and just going out to dinner with the family. So that's all the bits that I absolutely love that aren't Lush bath bombs, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, got inspiration for what you guys want to pick up next in Lush. If you guys like Lush, do comment below and let me know what your favourite products are as well. I would love to know. And don't forget, I do have a Lush Instagram, which is @reaalllyyy. I will link in the description box below, so you guys follow that for everything Lush there. And I hope you guys have an amazing week. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notifications bell below to get updates when next upload. And I will see you next week for a lovely primer haul. And I'm so excited for this because it's my first sort of autumn video, and as I said earlier, I'm so excited for autumn, like to come right now, and this is going to be the start of all the goodness that is going to come, and hopefully another baking video. So I will see you then. Have a lovely weekend. See you soon.